Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get LEAP Wafer Chip PGR. First, it is crucial to clearly define your project's technical specifications and performance needs for the chip. This initial step ensures you select the correct component for optimal functionality. Next, research and identify trusted suppliers known for their high-quality semiconductor products. Finally, always verify the authenticity and quality of the wafer chips before making any purchase decisions. Finding a reliable supplier is paramount for acquiring specialized components. Begin by seeking out vendors with established industry reputations and relevant quality certifications, ensuring their products meet stringent standards. Compare their pricing structures, estimated lead times, and any minimum order quantity requirements to find the best fit for your budget and schedule. Always review customer feedback and assess their technical support options. Once you have identified potential suppliers, the procurement process begins. Request comprehensive datasheets and technical documentation to confirm the LEAP Wafer Chip PGR meets your exact specifications. Engage in negotiations regarding terms such as warranty coverage, return policies, and payment schedules to secure favorable conditions. Consider placing a small sample order first to thoroughly evaluate the chip's performance and compatibility before committing to a larger bulk purchase. After receiving your LEAP wafer chips, quality assurance is vital. Perform thorough incoming inspections and functional testing to confirm they meet all specified parameters. Implement strict handling procedures, such as using anti-static mats and wrist straps, to prevent damage from electrostatic discharge. Finally, integrate the chips into your system carefully, adhering to all manufacturer guidelines to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.